Answers to Common English Questions, Lesson number 8. Was Jay busy when you went to see him? Marami bang ginagawa si Jay nung pinuntahan mo siya? Yes, he was working. Oo, nagtatrabaho siya. Did it rain on Sunday? Umulan ba nung linggo? Yes, it did. Oo, umulan. What time are Zaldi and Ilona coming? Anong oras darating sina Zaldi at Ilona? They've already arrived. Dumating na sila. Have you sent the email? Na-email mo na ba? Yes, and he still hasn't replied. Oo, pero hindi pa siya sumasagot. What's Brunei like? Is it beautiful? Anong masasabi mo sa Brunei? Maganda ba? I don't know. I've never been there. Ewan ko, hindi pa ako nakararating doon. How are you going home later? Paano ka uuwi mamaya? I'm not sure. I might take the bus. Hindi ako sigurado. Baka mag-bus ako. Where were you born? Saan ka ipinanganak? In Manila. Sa Maynila. Where do you go shopping? Saan ka namimili? Or saan ka nagsha-shopping? At a mall in my neighborhood. Sa mall na banda sa amin. What day is it today? Friday? Anong araw ba ngayon? Biyernes? No, today is Thursday. Hindi, Huwebes ngayon. Was Rosalina at work yesterday? Pumasok ba si Rosalina kahapon? Or nasa trabaho ba si Rosalina kahapon? Yes, she was. Oo, pumasok siya. Or oo, nandun siya. When was the last time you were sick? Kailan ka huling nagkasakit? 6 months ago. 6 na buwan na ang nakararaan. Do you like to read? Mahilig ka bang magbasa? I don't have the time, but I used to read a lot. Wala akong oras, pero dati palagi akong nagbabasa. What did he say? Anong sabi niya? I don't know. I wasn't listening. Ewan ko, hindi ako nakikinig. Do you have a car? May kotse ka ba? Or may sasakyan ka ba? Yes, I drive a van. Oo, or meron, van ang minamaneho ko. Are you going out tonight? Lalabas ka ba mamayang gabi? I might. Baka. Would you like some tea? Gusto mo bang magtsaa? Or gusto mo ba ng tsaa? I'd rather have coffee if you have some. Mas gusto kong magkape kung meron ka. Were you late? Nahuli ka ba? Or late ka ba? No, I wasn't. Hindi. How much was your new camera? Magkano ang bago mong camera? It was 900 reals. Siyam na raang real yon. What would you like to do now? Anong gusto mong gawin ngayon? Let's go hang out with Ryzen. Tumambay tayo kasama si Ryzen. Or tara, banding tayo kasama si Ryzen. When was the last time you ate? Kailan ka huling kumain? 5 hours ago. 5 oras na ang nakararaan. Do you have a house? May bahay ka ba? No, I live in a flat. Wala, nakatira ako sa isang flat. Or sa flat ako nakatira. Where are the children? Nasaan ang mga bata? I don't know, they were here a few minutes ago. Hindi ko alam, nandito sila ilang minuto pa lang ang nakalipas. Or nandito sila kani-kanina lang. How long have you been working here? Gaano katagal ka nang nagtatrabaho dito? For 3 months. 3 buwan na. Do you like your job? Gusto mo ba ang trabaho mo? Yeah, I really like it. Oo, gusto ko talaga to. Is Lynn here? Nandito ba si Lynn? No, she has just left. Wala, kaalis lang niya. Should I buy this? Bibilhin ko ba to? Or dapat ko ba tong bilhin? Yes, I think you should. Sa palagay ko, oo. Is there an ATM near here? May ATM bang malapit dito? Yes, there's one near the store. Oo, may isang malapit sa tindahan. Is it close by? Malapit ba yon? No, it's far from here. Hindi, malayo yon dito. Would you like to meet for lunch tomorrow? Gusto mo bang mag-lunch bukas? Sure, let's do lunch. O sige, mag-lunch tayo. Excuse me, is there a money exchange near here? Excuse me, may malapit bang money exchange dito? No, there isn't. Ay, wala. Do you know where the bank is? Alam mo ba kung nasaan ang bangko? No, sorry, I don't. Pasensya na, hindi. Can you swim? Marunong ka bang lumangoy? Yes, but I'm not a very good swimmer. Oo, pero hindi ako magaling lumangoy. Do you and Maya watch TV a lot? Madalas ba kayong manood ng TV ni Maya? I do, but she doesn't. Ako, oo, pero siya hindi. Do you travel often? Madalas ka bang nagbibiyahe? Yes, I travel every year. Oo, bumabiyahe ako taon-taon. What color is this? Anong kulay to? It's metallic gray. Kulay metallic gray yan. Did you call Eva this morning? Tinawagan mo ba si Eva kaninang umaga? No, I didn't have time. Hindi, wala akong oras. Did you see Elna last night? Nakita mo ba si Elna kagabi? Yeah, she was wearing a nice dress. Oo, ang ganda ng suot niyang damit. What time is Janet arriving? Anong oras darating si Janet? She has already arrived. Dumating na siya. Have you ever driven a truck? Nakapagmaneho ka na ba ng truck? No, never. Ay, hindi pa. Do you spend too much money on shopping? Gumagastos ka ba ng gusto sa pag-shopping? Yes, and I'm usually broke at the end of the month. Oo, at madalas akong walang pera sa katapusan ng buwan. Have you ever flown in a helicopter? Nakapag-helicopter ka na ba? No, never. Hindi pa kahit kailan. Have you ever broken an arm? Nabalian ka na ba ng braso? Yes, I have. Oo, naranasan ko na. Do you live in a big city? Nakatira ka ba sa isang malaking syudad? No, I don't. Hindi. Would you like to play tennis? Gusto mo bang mag-tennis? No, let's go for a swim. Ayoko, mag-swimming na lang tayo. Why were you so late? Bakit naman late na late ka? I had to wait half an hour for the bus. Kalahating oras akong naghintay ng bus. Does he play the guitar? Naggigitara ba siya? Yes, he does. Oo. What's that building? Ano yung gusaling yon? It's a condominium. Kondo yon. Where is the mall located? Nasaan ang mall or saan ang mall? It's on Orchard Road. Nasa Orchard Road yon. How do you use this mic? Paano ginagamit ang mikroponong to? Give it to me and I'll show you how. Akin na at papakita ko sa'yo, or akin na at ituturo ko sa'yo. Has she ever been to Australia? Nakarating na ba siya sa Australia? Yes, once. Oo, minsan, or Oo, isang beses.